In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Upwork send notifications to your email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Upwork to turn on the email alerts you care about, so you don't miss proposals, contract updates, or important invitations. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website in the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner and click your profile avatar or initials. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Settings. This is where all of your preferences live. In the Settings area, find and open Notification Settings. You'll see different categories for the types of alerts Upwork can send. Next, go to the Email Updates section. This is the key area for making sure messages land in your inbox rather than being limited to in-app notifications. Under Recruiting, select the types of recruiting emails you want to receive. You can also decide the scope of these messages, choosing whether they should apply to only jobs you post or to jobs posted by you and your team. Pick the option that matches how you manage hiring on the platform. In the Freelancer and Agency Proposals section, check the boxes for the proposal-related emails you want to get. This can include updates when proposals arrive, change, or need your attention. Choosing these ensures you're alerted quickly so you can review candidates without constantly checking the site. Move down to Contracts. Here, set your preferences for contract-related emails and choose whether they should cover only the freelancers you hire or freelancers hired by your entire team. If you collaborate with others, the team option keeps everyone aligned. You'll also see sections like Groups and Invitations and other categories. For each, simply tick the checkboxes for the updates you'd like emailed to you. Take a moment to scan through everything and enable only what's helpful. Less critical items can stay off to keep your inbox clean. A couple of quick tips. Make sure the email address on your account is current, so messages go to the right place, and check your spam or promotions folder the first day or two after you turn these on. Adding Upwork to your email safe sender list can prevent missed alerts. That's it. You've set Upwork to email you the notifications that matter, tailored to your workflow. If your needs change, come back to notification settings anytime and adjust.